Okay, so to begin with, today we'll begin with a note which you should make a note, because this is a trick which will help you in problems related where you get such kind of problems. It will be helpful for you. Okay, it will be helpful for you. So what is that note is that here I've given proof that I don't think we have to prove because this is something a JEE class. You just make a note of it. So if you have something in the form 5 cos x plus 3 sin x. Okay, if you have it in this form, okay, some function, they have given you some function f of x is equal to 5 cos x plus 3 sin x. And if they ask you to find the range, okay, range of the, if they ask you to find range of f of x, then how you will find? So what is range? Range is nothing but the answer whatever you get, right? Adra interval ಏನಿದೆ, that is what is called as range. ಒಂದು x ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ f of x ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, what will be the minimum value, what will be the maximum value, that is nothing but the range. So if you have functions in this form, it is in general ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, if it is in the form a cos x plus b sin x, where a and b are some real numbers, okay, where a and b are some real numbers, then directly without any doubt you can say the range is nothing but closed interval minus square root of a square plus b square comma plus square root of a square plus b square. Okay, if you have function in the form f of x is equal to a cos x plus b sin x, okay, and if they ask you to find the range, range is nothing but you have to find the minimum value and you have to find the maximum value. So what is the minimum value? It is minus square root of a square plus b square, and maximum value is square root of a square plus b square, where a and b are constants. Make a note of this, students. Remember this, because there are some questions in JEE which is related to this. Andre direct agi ide form alli irodilla, you have to convert it into this form and then you have to find the range. Okay, have you did you take this down? Yes. Okay, so whenever if you see function in the form a cos x plus b sin x, and if they ask you the range, it is nothing but closed interval minus square root of a square plus b square comma a square root of a square plus b square, where the lower limit is your minimum value and the upper limit, that is upper part, the second part is the maximum value. Okay, we'll move on to next question. Okay, what you have to find here, again you have to find the, okay, give me a moment. Just a moment, students. Okay, so you have to find the range of this function. Okay, what is the range of this function? So can you see something in the function? What is the function? Function is f of x is equal to 5 cos x plus 3 cos of x plus pi by 3 plus 4. You have to find the range of this particular function. So those of, I'll just give you the hint. Those who have understood, you can go with the answer. You apply cos x plus y formula. What is cos x plus y? So cos x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, this is the formula. Apply that formula. You'll get it in some other simplified form. Let me know what is that simplified form. Okay, those who have not understood still, I'll solve it. So along with me, you can solve. So it is 5 cos x. I'll write it as it is. 3 into, okay, cos of x plus y is cos x cos y. That is cos x cos x cos pi by 3 minus sin x, that is sin x into sin pi by 3. Yeah, sin pi by 3 plus 4. Okay, so that is 5 cos x plus 3 into cos x into, what is cos pi by 3, students? What is the value of cos pi by 3? What is the value of cos pi by 3? Cos pi by 3, that is cos 60 degree. What is the value of cos 60 degree? cos 60 degree, it is half. So into half minus sin x into, what is sin 60 degree? What is sin 60 degree or sin pi by 3? What is the value of sin pi by 3? What is the value of sin pi by 3? It is square root of root 3 by 2, correct? Root 3 by 2 plus 4. So that is 5 cos x plus, multiply 3 inside, so it becomes 3 by 2 cos x minus 3 root 3 by 2 sin x. Okay, I am multiplying 3 inside. First e term multiply madidene, then I have multiplied it to this term plus 4. Okay, simplify this. If you simplify this, that is 5 cos x plus 3 by 2 cos x, what you have to do? You have to take a LCM and simplify. So if you take an LCM, you'll get it as 13 by 2 cos x, because 2 in the multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, minus 3 root 3 by 2 sin x plus 4. So this is the simplified version of the given function. So you have to find the range of this function. So now can you see something which we had noted earlier? If you have function in the form a cos x plus b sin x, okay, then the range will be minus square root of a square plus b square, comma square root of a square plus b square. Okay, here along with that, here can you see it in this form, in the same form? Can you see it in the same form, students? Yes. So what is the value of a here? What is the value of a here? A is equal to, what is the value of a? 13 by 2. Good. What is the value of b? What is the value of b? What is the value of b, students? a into cos x. So a ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ a ಯ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 13 by 2 ಇದೆ. Plus b into sin x ಇರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 3 root 3 by 2 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So b is nothing but minus 3 root 3 by 2. Okay. So you find what is square root of a square plus b square. What is the answer of square root of a square plus b square, students? Quickly you should answer. This is such a simple mathematical steps you have. Put a is equal to 13 by 2. Put b is equal to minus 3 root by 3 by 2. I need the answer of square root of a square plus b square. What is the answer? What is the answer? Subramanya, the given function, that is 13 by 2 cos x minus 3 root 3 by 2 sin x, is in the form a cos x plus b sin x. Compare ಮಾಡಿದೆ. a ದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ 13 by 2 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, b ದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ minus 3 root 3 by 2 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So I need the value of square root of a square plus b square. What is the value, students? Whoever is there, I want answer from everyone. Such a simple question. Dikshita, Elvina, Jyoti, Mehak Taj, Rohan, Noor Fatima, Subramanya. Yeah, what is the answer? What is square root of a square plus b square? It's not 51. Check your answer again. Check your answer again. Such a simple mathematical step and you're finding it difficult. 13 by 2 whole square plus minus 3 root 3 by 2 whole square. So it comes out to be square root of 13 by 2 whole square is 13 square by 2 square. So 169 by 4 plus minus 3 root 3 whole square. So minus 3 square is 9. 9 into 3 is, root 3 square is 3. Yes, it is 27 divided by 4. So you get the answer as 196 by 4. So if you do the separate square root, 196 by square root of 4. What is the square root of 196? What is the square root of 196, students? What is the square root of 196? Square root of 196 is 14. Square root of 4 is, square root of 4 is, square root of 4 is 2. Yes. So 14 by 2 is how much? 7. Okay. So this is the value of square root of a square plus b square. What is the value? It is 7. So ನಮ್ಮ function ಬರೀ a cos x plus b sin x ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ range ಏನು ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ? -7 to 7 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತಿದ್ರಿ. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು +4 ಇದೆ. So you have to add it. So minimum value of f of x is, okay, I'll write here, minimum of f of x is minus square root of a square plus b square plus 4, not plus 4, sorry, minus 4, no, plus 4, and maximum of f of x is square root of a square plus b square plus 4. So what is the minimum value? -7 plus 4 is the minimum value. What is the minimum then? -7 plus 4. How much it is? -7 plus 4. 3. Yeah, what is the maximum? -7 plus 4 is 3. What is the maximum? 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. Okay, so what should be your answer? A, B, C or D? Which should be your answer? Which should be your answer? Minimum is -3, maximum is 11. So your answer is -3, 11. Since you know that the range of a cos x plus b sin x is in this form, this is how you use the trick. Okay. Can we move to the next question, students? Can we move to the next question? Yes. Okay. Okay, this is your next question. This is such an easy question. Let me see who will give me the answer. Okay, question is, f is a function from r plus to r, which means r plus is set of positive reals. Okay, so function idu domain enta positive reals and the codomain is set of reals, and function satisfies, this function satisfies certain equation. What is that equation? F of x into f of y is f of x into y plus 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1. Okay, then for f of 1, they have given something. F of 1 is 3. We have to find f of x. We have to find what is the value of f of x. Let me see who will give me the hint. What should we do here? Our name relation kottidare. So we have to use this relation to find the value of f of x. Okay, what else they have given? They have given f of 1 is 3. F of 1 is 3. I need the value of f of x. So what could be done, students? E equation use ಮಾಡಿ f of x in a value find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We have to find the value of f of x. They have given us what is f of 1. Okay, so how to do this? How to go about this? Can anyone tell me what might be the thing we have to use? E equation use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what can we do, students? Come on, students, this is such an easy question. If you have no idea, just put a no idea so that I can continue. You have to put x is 3. No, that is not right. Just check. Okay, so you have no idea. I'll give you the hint. You have to tell me the answer. Yes, Subramanya has the answer. Put what as 1? He has said you have to put 1. Where we have to put 1? X into 1 is x. Good. Yeah. So in this equation, where I have to put 1? Where I have to put 1? Yes, good, Noor Fatima. You have the answer. Just apply it in that equation. Not for x, Subramanya. For some other thing, you have to put 1. For which? Think. Yes, good, Dikshita. You have to put y is equal to 1 in this equation. Okay, put y is equal to 1. Substitute. Let me see who will give me the answer. Put y is equal to 1. Let me see who will give me the answer. Yeah, that is fine. You have tried. Okay, Subramania, that is fine. At least trying is important. Okay. Yeah. In the given equation, you put y is equal to 1. Okay, put y is equal to 1. Put y is equal to 1. Put y is equal to 1. So what will you get as the value of x, f of x? So what I have to do? F of x into f of y is there. Y is 1. So f of 1. Yes, Dikshita has got the answer. It is 2x plus 1 divided by x. Good, Dikshita. See, so easy. The questions are so easy. Only you have to think bit. Okay, so x into y under 1. So 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So it is f of x. F of 1 is 3. So it is f of x into 1 is again f of x plus 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 3 f of x is equal to f of x. Yes, good, Elvina. Plus 2 into, if you take the LCM, you get 1 plus 2x divided by x. Okay. So if you take this f of x to the other side, it is 3 f of x minus f of x is equal to 2 into 1 plus 2x divided by x. So that is 2 f of x is equal to 2 into 1 plus 2x divided by x. So 2 get cancels. So f of x is nothing but 1 plus 2x divided by x. So that is 2x plus 1 divided by x. So the correct option is option D. I have directly written LCM alla tegdu bardidini nanu. Since you know, yes, good Mehektaj. So you have got the answer. So can we move to the next question? Yes? Yes, okay. So this is the next question. This is your next question. Here you don't have an option. You have to tell me what is the answer. Okay. I'll give the hint. Just like the previous one, I'll give the hint. They have given f of x is 3x minus 2. Okay. And then they have given G composition f inverse of x. Listen carefully. G composition f inverse of x is x minus 2. You have to find what is G of x. Sorry. You have to find what is G of x. I'll give you the hint. This thing you have to remember. When you have composition into inverse idre, okay, that is decomposition f inverse of x anta idre, whole inverse anta idre, this you can write as f inverse of G inverse of x. Yes, reverse you can write. You remember this, right? Decomposition f inverse of x is nothing but f inverse of G inverse of x. So this is the hint which I'll give to you. You have to give me the answer of G of x. Idrinda nimage you'll get the value of G inverse of x. Once you have the value of G inverse of x, from that you can deduct the value of G of x. Okay. Those who have understood bet, you can start. Others, watch out for this. Okay. So they've given f of x is 3x minus 2. Then what is f inverse of x, students? If f of x is 3x minus 2, what is f inverse of x? What is f inverse of x? Can anyone tell me? No, it is not 2 minus 3x. ಹೇಗೆ f inverse find out ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು? f of x ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ y ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Okay, how to find f inverse of x? To find f inverse of x, okay, whatever they have given as f of x, take it as y. From that, you deduct the value of y. Sorry, x. ಆಯ್ತಾ? 3x minus 2 ಅನ್ನು y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದರಿಂದ x value ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So let me know what is the value of x from this. If 3x minus 2 is y, what is the value of x? If 3x minus 2 is y, what is the value of x, students? What is the value of x? 3x minus 2 is, yes, x is y by 2. Correct. Good note, Fatima. Good, Dikshita. X is y plus 2 divided by 3. Okay. F of x and y anta tagonde. So from that I got x is equal to y plus 2 by 3. So this is my f inverse of x. Okay, this is my f inverse of x. So it is x plus y iddalle x anta bariyadu. X plus 2 by 3. Ashte. Okay, put f of x is equal to y. From that deduct x. So x will be y plus 2 by 3. So f inverse of x anta helidre x y idda jagadalli x anta barudre aaytu. Ashte. So it is x plus 2 by 3. So now you have f inverse of x is x plus 2 by 3. You want this, just mark it out. Now, here you apply this formula, f inverse of g inverse of x. So it is f inverse of g inverse of x is equal to x minus 2. Okay, f inverse of g inverse of x is equal to x minus 2. So now we know if it is f inverse of x ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೇವೆ, x plus 2 by 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೇವೆ. ಈಗ x ಇರುವ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ now in place of x what I have g inverse of x. Okay, now in place of x I have g inverse of x. Okay, x ಇರುವ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ in this question I have g inverse of x. Replace it. So it will be g inverse of x plus 2 divided by 3 is equal to x minus 2. From this, get me the answer of g inverse of x, students. What is the answer of g inverse of x? What is the answer of g inverse of x? Let me see who will give me the answer first. What is the answer of g inverse of x? What is the answer of g inverse of x? What is the answer of g inverse of x? ಅವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ ಹಾಗೆ g inverse of x ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಂತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. What is the answer? Check the answer. Check the answer. Those who are giving the answer, you just check the answer, students. No. 3x plus 4, no. 2 by x is also not the answer. X minus 6 by 2 is also not the answer. Yes, what is the answer? Should I do? So it is g inverse of x plus 2 is equal to, I'll take this 3 to the other side. ಇಲ್ಲಿ division ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ multiplication ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it is 3 into x minus 2, which is 3x minus 6. Then take this plus 2 to the other side. So what you'll get, g inverse of x is equal to 3x minus 8. Elvina was almost right, something went wrong. Okay, so g inverse of x is 3x minus 8. Okay, g inverse of x is 3x minus 8. Did you get the answer, students? Did you get the answer? Yeah, you had put some plus sign. Yes, okay. Now I have g inverse of x. So how to find g of x? How to find g of x? Same technique ಅನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಗ f of x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ನಾನು f inverse of x find out ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಈಗ g inverse of ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So how to find g of x? What I have to do? Put 3x minus 8 is equal to y. Okay. So g inverse of x 3x minus 8 ಅನ್ನು y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು x ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಕಿ. Okay, find the value of x. What is the value of x? See, ಏನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, if they give you f of x and if they want you to find f inverse of x, what you have to do, ಕೊಟ್ಟ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ y ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿ, x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಂತ find out ಮಾಡಿ. So that is nothing but your f inverse of x. So here they have given you g inverse of x. G inverse of x is 3x minus 8. Then y anta kodi. So what is the value of x? It is y plus 8 divided by 3. Okay, y plus 8 divided by 3. Good note, Fatima. So what is g of x then? G of x is, so g of y anta helidre y plus y plus 8 divided by 3. So g of x is nothing but x plus 8 divided by 3. So my answer is x plus 8 divided by 3. Okay, x plus 8 divided by 3. First ಗೆ minus 8 ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ, so it becomes plus 8. Then take 3 x ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, so you take it to the other side, divided by 3. Yes, good, good Elvina. Yeah, so we'll move on to the next question. Here what you have to remember always, g composition f inverse of x is f inverse of g inverse of x, the first thing. Second thing, f of x ಕೊಟ್ಟು f inverse of x find out ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು y ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು, then you find what is x from that. Okay, these are the things which you should remember. So can we move to the next question? Can we move to the next question? Yes, okay. Yeah, this is the next question. Do you remember what is odd and even function? Odd and even function. Do you remember what is odd and even function? I had told about this, right? In many CET classes only. So, even function anta helidre, I'll remind you again. If you have even function, it is f of x ಗೆ minus x in the replace ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, if you get the same answer, then it is even function. Odd function is odd function. If you put in place of x, if you, okay, voice is breaking, you can't hear me. Is it clear now? Yes, okay, fine. You can hear me now, right? Yeah, okay. So odd function anta helidre, f of minus x hakidaga minus f of x sigbeku, that is odd function. So for example, for even function, if you put f of x, if you have a function f of x is x square, okay, if the function is f of x is equal to x square, so to check whether it is an odd or even function, what you have to do, x idda jagadalli minus x ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Okay, ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಇರೋ ಅದು even ಆ odd function ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ what you have to do, wherever you have x, replace it by minus x. So what you'll get, minus x whole square. So what is minus x whole square? It is nothing but x square. Okay, it is x square, which is equal to f of x. ಏನಾಯ್ತು, f of x ಇದ್ದದಲ್ಲಿ minus x ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು, you're getting the answer as f of x only. So it is a even function. Okay, suppose your function is f of x is x cube. Okay, if your function f of x is x cube, check whether this function is odd or even anta kelidre, what you have to do, replace x by minus x. So it is f of minus x is minus x whole cube. What is minus x whole cube? It is minus x cube. Minus and bitre x cube is nothing but my function. So you can see that minus x hakidaga minus of f of x ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. So this particular function is odd. Whereas here, even after substituting, replacing x by minus x, my f of minus x is equal to f of x. So this is an even function. Okay, this is an even function. Now what you have to tell me is, they have given you two functions, f of x and g of x. So f of x is secant x plus tan x, and g of x is tan x by 1 minus secant x. They have given two statements. First statement is g is an odd function anta kottidare. Okay, the first statement is g is an odd function. Second statement is f is neither an odd function nor an even function. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, they have given you options, ಯಾವ statement true, ಯಾವ statement false ಅಂತ. So first statement true ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, g of minus x ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ minus g of x ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ first statement true. ಅದು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ first statement is false. And in order to say whether second statement is true or false, you have to find what is f of minus x. Okay, if you are getting it as f of x, or if you are getting it as minus f of x, then it can be odd or it can be even. Okay, ಆಗ second statement false ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Suppose ಇದು ಎರಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ second statement true ಆಗ್ತದೆ. This is a homework question. You take this as a homework question and get me the answer. Okay. ಹಿಂಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ g of x ಇದ್ದು g of minus x ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಕಿ okay similarly for f of minus x you find what you will get the answer and check whether out of the two statements which is true and which is false okay did you understand everyone the Subramania has told yes others Mehek Noor Fatima Dikshita Elvina Jyoti Vinay Rohan yes okay so this is a homework question yeah we'll move to the next question okay I think we can solve this question rather than this because we have 4 minutes okay we'll solve this question students easy question two more easy questions are there we can solve that because this is something which is very easy and which you know okay so we can solve this question okay so they see here what they have told that in a class of 60 students okay in a class of 60 students 40 opted for NCT 30 opted for NSS and 20 opted for both. Okay. If one of these students is selected at random, then probability that the student selected has opted neither NCC nor NSS. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ sets ಅನ್ನು probability ಜೊತೆ mix ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. Probability ಜೊತೆ sets ಅನ್ನು mix ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So what they have told class ಅಲ್ಲಿ students ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ 60. So n of u is 60. Okay, if I take NCC as A, okay, and NSS as B, what they have given, N of A is 40, number of students opting NCC is 40, students opting NSS is 30, and both NSS and NCC is, and A intersection B is 20. Okay, they have asked us to find probability of okay probability of not opting both that is A union B whole dash you have to find probability that the student does not opt on the student and random agi tegre ಅವರು NSS ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ NCC ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು probability ಇದೆ that is what you have to find so for that ಇದನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you know n of A ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ sorry probability of occurring event A ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ number of elements in A divided by number of elements in the entire set that is sample space this is how you do right probability of getting A and ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ number of elements in A divided by number of elements in S similarly here what it will be number of elements opting students opting A union B whole dash divided by n of u ಇಲ್ಲಿ s ನ ಬದಲು u ಬರಿಬೇಕು but you should know what is n of A union B whole dash ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ so how to find n of A union B whole dash students how to find neither this is a question which had appeared in the exam also how to find the neither can anyone tell me yeah first you have to find A union B good Elvina yes last year n of A union B is n of A yes Vinay has given me the answer of n of A union B no he has given me the final answer good Vinay yeah so it is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B what is the answer of this 40 plus 30 minus 20 so it is 70 minus 20 is 50 okay then how to find n of A union B whole dash it is n of u minus n of A union B ನಮಗೆ neither ಬೇಕು so ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು total set ಇಂದ either ಅನ್ನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು okay we need neither which means from the total set you have to subtract either okay that is 60 minus 50 is 10 so what is n of A union B whole dash it is 10 divided by 60 so what is because n of u is 60 so what is the answer answer is 1 by 6 good Okay, this question you take homework as homework. This also. This is easy question. Take this as homework. Okay. Take this as homework. Have you taken the screenshot? This is an easy question. Let me see who will give me the answer. Related to your first year topic. Okay, yeah.